Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath. And the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, look in the description of the video, guys, and get one of our video courses. I'm telling you, the video courses have been changing people's lives. One of the video courses is 6-figure journeys, where I literally show you how you can make 6 figures. Man, it walked you through multiple opportunities. Check that out. Or if you just, want to get your hustle on, I'll show you how you can sell on the internet. That's right, how you can sell hotspots and have your own internet company. But enough of the self-promotion, as I always say, but I always do. Let's get right into it, guys. We want to talk about the new Buzz TV devices. You know, you've been seeing a lot of your favorite streaming YouTubers out there doing reviews on it. But I want to do an unboxing, and I'm going to do a separate video head-to-head, either with the two devices I have today or with a separate device, just to see exactly how that S-chip going to function in the device. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it, guys, and many more to come. Before we unbox it again, I want to tell you guys this: if you are in the United States, we have had the luxury of being able to stream anything we want. It looked like that's changing, so you might want to consider getting the VPN. Look in the description of the video, guys, and I should have a nice recommendation for you. All right, let's get. So here it is. This is the Buzz TV package we was expecting. Let's go ahead and open it up. Come around here. And by the way, guys, man, I pre-ordered the Mavic 3 Mini Pro, so we definitely gonna have some content coming with that. 2 devices in the box. Let's get it out. Get it out. Let's get it out. Okay, guys. X5 64 AI, 128 AI. X5 also. I really want to dive deeper into the devices, so we want to have a deep dive, but let's just see what comes into let's see what comes in the box. Not into the box, in the box. So that's the device itself. Let's go ahead and take this out. You're getting an HDMI cable, getting a wall power block, you're getting 2 energized AAA batteries, and you're getting a remote. Now, I'm an absolute fanatic when it comes down to remote controls. You gotta have a good remote control to really enjoy your device. And you can see that they really did a good job with the ergonomics of this. It just feels so good. Look at that, man. The buttons are very responsive. All right, so there we have it right here. So this is it, man. Oh man, this is fancy smancy. This material right here, man, that's gorgeous. Listen to that. Man, absolutely amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and set it to the side. We're gonna have a closer look at it later. Let's open up the other box. All right, go ahead and open that. Again, similar presentation. Again, this is the X5 128 AI, the device. HDMI cable. Again, AAA Energizer batteries. A USB look like power supply cable. The remote. Let's go ahead and have a look at this remote. All right, it's identical as the other. And this must be the wall block. Open this up right quick. And yes, it's the wall block. This is the American version. You can see it's kind of tucked and folded way up in there. You just click it out and plug it into the wall. And it looks like they have the European plug. So yeah, you got different, that fell on the ground. You got different variations So if you're overseas, hey, you can bring your box with you and use that also. Again, good material, guys. Similar, the same. I'm very impressed with this material, man. I'm very impressed with it. And man, it's hard to explain. The camera's not doing it justice how beautiful this thing is, but absolutely beautiful. So let's get a closer look at the boxes. All right, so let's have this up close and personal look at the device. Again, man, I can't tell you enough how beautiful this device actually look. Now you can see right here you have a slot for SD card. They have labeled it as TF. That's not uncommon. USB port right here and another USB port on that side. In the front, you can see we have this indicator right here. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but that's the indicator that we have right there. Nothing on the other side. On the back side, we have, of course, the two antennas, HDMI, optical. We have the Ethernet and we have the AV, all right? If you turn it on the belly, you will see that it's labeled X5. If I can get that into the camera, it's labeled X5. Come on, focus, focus. It's labeled, on the belly, it's labeled X5 64 AI. And that's primarily the difference between this device that we unbox and this device that we unbox. Is when you look on the belly underneath here, it's going to be X5 128, and that's the difference in internal storage. They are exactly identical all the way around. Two stunning designs, two beautiful devices, except with one you're getting 64 storage, and the other one you're getting the 128. Both of them feel good in the hand. So absolutely amazing. Now, if you're looking for the specs, they have the same specs as far as like the chip. You're going to get the AMOLED S905X4 quad-core Cortex-A55, all right? The RAM you're getting is 4 gigs. The GPU is Mali G31 MP2. The difference, again, 64 or 128 internal storage, and you're getting the dual Wi-Fi. Man, absolutely amazing how they was able to pack all of that into this beautiful device. That's the unboxing. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set it up, but we're gonna do a separate video on setting up this device. And I want to put the two devices head to head because they're saying that they have the same specs. The only difference is the internal storage. We wanted to prove that true by putting it head to head, or maybe we might put it head to head with one of our other devices. But so far, the unboxing guys, you know, they always do a great job with their unboxing presentation. The remote control kind of took me back. I'm really pleased with their remote control. But the star of the show is absolutely the build quality of this device. So, all right, guys, there you have it. Let's jump back into the studio. All right, guys, welcome back. So there you have it, unboxing the Buzz TV. Now, the difference between the X5 64 and X5 128, repetitive, I said it about 4 times, is the storage, but everything else is exactly the same as far as what I can see in the specs that I have, and that's why I'm going to plug them up and try to put them head to head. But if not, we'll just do another device, man. You know, we're going to think of something. But look for more videos on these devices. You know, Buzz TV, they've been stepping up their game. I mean, I still got some of the Buzz TV sticks around here, and of course the box around here. So I still use their devices in my studio. So this device right here compared to the old devices that I have, the build quality is significantly different. Let's just say that, guys. But it's your boy taking a bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't know what's wrong with me today, bro. Like, I just can't get over the build quality of that box. I'm telling you, it feels so good in the hand. The design, the ergonomics of the remote control. This video can be a whole hour, but it's not. Peace.